Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm, Illustration 23. Richard and Rizwan started a business on 1st January 2018 with a capitals of rupees 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. In that case, what they said that mean Richard and Rizwan is a partner in a partnership firm. They started the business with the capital of rupees 3 lakhs. So Richard capital is 3 lakhs. And the Rizwan capital amount is 2 lakhs. So their opening capital is given to here. Then according to the partnership deed, interest on capital is to be provided 6% per annum. So in the partnership deed, they have specified that interest on capital can be provided 6%. So in that case, 3 lakhs into 6 by 100, 2 lakhs into 6 by 100. If you are going to calculate, you will get that interest on capital. So you see here 20 is cancelled. 6 3s are 18. How many zeros are left out? 30. So 3 zeros, 18,000 interest on capital for Richard, and then 20 is cancelled. 6 into 2 12, 3 zeros. So 12,000 for Rizwan. Interest on capital is calculated. Then Rizwan is to get a salary of 50,000 per annum. So they have openly mentioned salary for Rizwan is 50,000 per annum, not for a month, per year. Richard is to get 10% commission. So for Richard alone they specified 10% commission has to be given. And then commission on profit. Within the bracket what they have given, after providing interest on capital, in that case after providing interest on capital for both partners and salary to Rizwan, after providing this capital amount and salary to Rizwan, what is the profit amount available? From that amount we have to provide the commission to Richard, that is after charging commission method. So in that case, after charging such commission, they have given openly also. In that case, after charging such commission is equal to net profit after charging interest, net profit after charging such commission into percentage. What is the percentage they have given? 10%. That case 10 by 100 plus 10. 100 plus 10. That is, we can rewrite it as 110. That is a formula, already know that. After charging such commission mean net profit after providing salary and remuneration to the partners, commission after providing that, what is the amount available? The net profit amount into commission divided by 100 plus commission. So we got the commission 10%. So 10 by 110 is given here. So what is the amount? We have to calculate it by preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit sharing ratio between the two partners is 3:2. The profit sharing ratio is given, that case 3 by 5, 2 by 5. During the year, earned profit is 3 lakhs. So in that case, what they mean, total earned profit is 3 lakhs. Profit from the profit and loss account, the net profit is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The firm closes its accounts 31st December every year. So now you see here, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Now they ask us to prepare only profit and loss appropriation account alone. So the format is drawn in front of you. It is a ledger account, debit, credit, particulars, inner column, outer column, particulars, inner column, outer column is drawn. Now first we have to post the earned profit, that is net profit. So the net profit amount which is earned, which is transferred from profit and loss appropriation, profit and loss account by net profit. What is the amount? 3 lakhs. In the outer column we can write it as 3 lakhs. This written. So the first one is over D. Then what we have to enter from the beginning? The first one is interest on capital. So interest on capital is expenses to the partnership firm, because we have to provide the interest on capital to the partners. So it is expense for the partnership firm. It should be entered in the debit side. Once again I will recall it to you. In the debit side, in the profit and loss appropriation account, debit side, interest on capital, salary, commission, these things will be provided to the partner. So it will be entered in the debit side. Interest on drawing is received from the partner. That should be entered in the credit side. The net profit amount which is transferred from the profit and loss account, that also will be entered in credit side. The next one, interest on capital, the amount is 2 interest on capital. Richard, how much amount? 18,000. Rizwan, 12,000. So totally, in the heading of interest on capital, we got 30,000. So the question A point also over. Then B, what they have given, Rizwan is to get salary of 50,000 per annum. So that also expenses to the partnership firm only. So salary to Rizwan. Salary to Rizwan. What is the amount? 50,000. You can place it in the outer column. So it is placed. Then what is given to a C? Richard is to get 10% commission on profits. After charging such commission method, we have to provide. So in that case, what they have given me, we have to provide Richard 10% commission after providing interest on capital to the partner and salary to Rizwan. So what is the available profit amount? 3 lakhs. From the 3 lakhs, we are going to provide 30,000 and 50,000. Mean what is the balance amount will be there? 2,20,000. That is profit after charging such commission, charging salary and commission is equal to net profit 3 lakhs. What is the salary? 30,000. What is the salary? 50,000. Interest on capital is 30,000. So 80,000. If you are going to give these two amount, mean you will get the balance amount is 2,20,000. From this 2,20,000, we are going to provide 10% to the Richard. So in that case, net profit after charging such commission is 2,20,000 into 10 by 110, because that is the formula is given for us. So 10 by 110 we have to give 0, 0, it's cancelled. 1 11 11, 2 11s are 22. How many zeros are here? 4 zeros are here. So in that case, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the commission amount is 20,000. The commission amount is 20,000. In that case, here you have to record 2 commission. 2 commission to Richard. What is the amount? 20,000. It is recorded. Now we are going to balance on both sides. In credit side, you got the balance amount 3 lakhs. So it shows credit balance. Compared to debit side, credit side only got more values. Here you got 30,000, 50,000, 80,000, 80 plus 20, 1 lakh. So you got the 1 lakh amount different. 2 lakhs amount. Here you got 1 lakh, here you got 3 lakhs. So same 3 lakh is written here. The different amount 2 lakhs is going to be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So 2 partners capital account. 2 partners capital account is given. Richard and Rizwan. So Richard how much we are going to give. Rizwan how much he is going to receive. That you have to calculate it. So 2 lakh. In this 2 lakh, what is the percentage of, what is the profit sharing ratio? The sum they have given to you. Profit sharing ratio between them 3:2. That case 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So 2 lakhs into 3 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 4 5s are 20. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 0. So 4 into 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,20,000 for Richard. 1,20,000 for Richard. Then 4 into 2. 40,000 into 2 mean 80,000. So the 80,000 for Rizwan. Now when you are going to tally the account, it will be balanced.